How to open your Gawa Hermit Classic long tent. We are just going to do that. Open the Velcro securing cover that houses the chain. There are two locking straps on either side of the rear side branding. So these basically come from the bottom and they go all the way on the other side of the tent. So we are just going to first open these straps. These are the outermost securing facility provided. So we have to open it first. This is how the strap looks. It is quite easy. You have to just push it from the bottom and loosen it up, and it will quickly slide out of the ring. And once it is sliding out, then you can basically take out the. It's a bit interesting this side. So we have this awning already opened, but you have this space in between. So basically you can simply stand here and access. So you can reach it up to here, push it open, and then slide it out. Again, the same story with the strap. You have to basically organize it in a way that it doesn't obstruct the opening and closing of the door. So second strap as well secured. Now we go to the chain. So we had opened one Velcro on the other side. So there is also one more Velcro here, and the chain will open on this side here. Unzip the chain all around on three sides. The cover will open from back of the vehicle to front of the vehicle, this side. So let's open the chain, all three sides. On the corners you have to lift it up and fold it upwards so that it opens like this. I have kept the door open at the moment, but it will be easier. Same procedure on this corner as well. While opening you have to fold it like this. It's easier. That's how we reach until end of the chain. You have to completely open it and separate. So you can see here, this has been separated. It's up there and this one is in the bottom. So at the time when we are closing it, these two will again join to slide the chain over the zippers. The next stage is we have to lift the cover. So you have to start with the corners because there are some protections provided inside the corner, so as the sharp edges do not cut the cover. So you have to make it free first there, and then we can go with the rest of the things. So we have basically this raised portion here actually accommodates the height of the ladder. So the first fold of the cover is the guiding line. You have to basically flip it as many times until it is reasonably tied up and is supported on the rack. At times you might have some luggage also here, so that's when this will help you. So we have removed the cover. Now you will see that there are these types of inner two straps on either side, this side as well as the other side. It is going to open that way, and sides have these straps. So these are in Velcro. Basically we have to open those. One very important instruction: this is the part of the chain which secures the cover on the rear side to this bottom. Now what happens at time when we are in hurry, we want to open the tent very quick, and that's when either the corners or this part gets crunched or squeezed into these closing halves, and that is one of the reasons why your zip could get damaged. So you have to fold it downwards so that it doesn't get into this matting of these two halves of the tent platform, and you're secured and your tent stays weatherproof. Otherwise maybe you could have the problem in the zippers, and also the elements will find their way inside the tent package. So now we are completely done. Now the last part that we are required to do is to pull the ladder out. So you will see that the ladder is secured with these velcro straps in place. Now you have to basically just slide this. The ladder slides out, and there are two tent pegs which lock into place. I'll show you those. So these are the pegs here, which will lock in place. So this is the way I'm pulling it. So this clicking sound what it made has indicated me that you can see that it is not moving now. So it is fully extended, and this will work as a lever to pull the tent out. This is the time when the load will start falling to get pulled. That's the time when you can put one of your legs onto the bumpers of your vehicle and then pull it open. This is how the tent will look after opening up. There are now only 2 steps remaining which we are needed to complete in order to finally set up the tent completely. You can see there is one support member in aluminum. That is something that you remove from there and install it on the mountings here, so as to extend the support of the tent. This tent is particularly the long one, so you can see that the basic silhouette is more or less the same like the short one, but there is a extending portion which is why we call it long. So to revise once again, what we did was we opened the cover, we pulled the ladder out, and we basically opened this tent on its hinges. Now the last thing to do is we have these tent poles, so we have to put them on these windows so that these windows will properly open up, and if necessary they will provide us first of all ventilation and also protection from any rain or dew. So that's the last stage for us to do. There is a little bit dressing up of some folding elements, but as you get closer, as you are dwelling in the tent for a couple of nights, you will start to generate kind of a familiarity and your own sequence of things, how you want to carry those out. So I will put up the tent stakes and show you in a while. Inside is a super comfy 2 people or 3+ people bed. We have tried sleeping 4, 2 of us and our 2 kids, and that's more than enough. You have got these tie cords which ensure that while you close, the tent body is folding at right places and it is not fouling anywhere, so that you don't have to fuss around to push the body in, tent body in. Then you have the mosquito mesh to be tied with the locks. Similarly the outer cover, and that's how you can utilize the space inside. There are windows and ventilation all around, and that's much about the interior. how to pack the tent. It is a pretty simple procedure. Remove the guy ropes, then de-chain the annex and the annex floor, and then simply lift the ladder to fold the tent. We are going to see the practical. We are removing the material, the essentials that were there in the remove the guy ropes and the tent stakes. एक minute. Chain all the windows of the annex. The floor of the annex is chained to the annex just at the center of the door. This is the opening chain of the door on the left hand side, and this is where the annex is chained to the floor. So we are going to open it and separate the floor. Untie the guy ropes from the mounting points. It's quite easy and simple procedure. Can be done even by kids. You have to ensure that you separate the ladder and move it outside before removing the floor. Folded annex to be stored in the bag that is provided along with the annex. The annex is connected to the bottom of the tent with a zipper. Unzip in a C shape to remove or separate the annex from the tent bottom. There are these tent support rods which are under tension to pull the weather covers outside. You have to slowly remove them and pack them in the bag that is provided. Packed and ready to roll. And very nice compact dimensions. So all around got a very reasonable package to handle. No fuss.